Hi again. I've got yet another problem that bothers me a lot, and it's time to solve it using my astonishing intelligence and great crafting skills. You see, I've been told multiple times that it's great for you to wake up early, but it's hard for me to do so. It's especially hard to wake up early if your neighbors watch some weird cartoons late at night.
Guys, what the
As a true man of science, which I clearly am, I started experimenting on myself. Needless to say, simple alarms were completely useless. Multiple alarms were no different. Then I tried some alarm apps that make you solve puzzles in order to turn off the alarm. This was definitely a step in the right direction, but still not great. Then I tried to find a solution on my favorite site, WikiHow. It actually had something to offer. Do easy bodyweight exercises. Nope. Let natural light in. Nope. Splash water on your face. Sounds like it could work. So I had to invent, and I did. This is wet alarm. I call it wet alarm because it makes you wet and it basically is an alarm. It is designed to wake its user up by splashing some cold water on their face. Actually, my initial plan was to add a piece of cloth to my system, but I got the understanding it had been tried before and the results had not been great. So my idea is very simple. This is a water tank. It should be filled in the evening before the installation. When it's time to wake me up, this motor will turn the tank from this position to this position, and the water will flow through this tube on my face. I wake up and feel fresh instantly. Let's try this.
Why?
Okay, it works. Kinda. I mean, I'm awake. I'm wet. I'm miserable. I hate this. I think I'm trying to eliminate a symptom of a problem, but not the problem itself, not the source. I guess I need a better idea.
That's my favorite scene, well, up to the last one.